Hi everyone, and welcome to another Creative Einstein video. In this video we're going to be looking at combinations of numbers and letters, in this case letters, with no repetition. Now this is part 2, so if you haven't watched part 1, please watch that first, because otherwise you may be a bit lost with this example. This is a more complicated example than in part 1. So let's get to it. How many different 3-letter combinations can I make with the letters A, B, C and D? And no repetition is allowed. Okay, so we want 3-letter combinations, and the letters that we're allowed to use, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is write down all the combinations in a systematic order, so we don't actually forget anything. And then after that, after we have found the answer, I'm going to show you a shortcut. Okay, so remember we're going to write this in a systematic order. So we're going to start with A, and we'll write all the first letters of the alphabet. So ABC is my first combination. I'm going to do ABD, and that's it. ACB, ACD, and then ADB, ADC. And that's it for my A's. So now let's start with B's. B-A-C, B-A-D. That's it for B-A, so we're going to do B-C next. B-C, D-A, sorry, no, A comes before D. B-C-D. We've done all the B-Cs now, so B-D-A, B-D-C. That's it for my B's, the one starting with B, so now we'll do C. C-A-B, C-A-D. That's, whoops, sorry. I said the right thing, but I read the wrong thing. C-A. And that's it for C-A, so now I'm going to do C-B, C-B-A, C-B-D. That's it for C-B. So the next letter is C-D, A-C-D, B. And that's it for my C's. So the last one is starting with D. D-A-B, D-A-C. That's it for D-A. So D-B is next. A, D-B-C. And now D-C, A, D-C-B. And that's it for my combinations. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 4 different columns there of 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. That means I have 24 combos. Now, like I said, there is a shortcut. You don't have to write all this down. But the reason I wrote all this down is to show you how to work it out, in case you do get confused. Now, we want a 3-letter combination. So 1, 2, 3. Now, in my first position, for this position, I have 4 different letters I can choose from. A, B, C, or D. So I'm going to write 4. Once I have chosen my first letter, I only have 3 letters left for my next position. Once I have chosen my second letter, there's only 2 letters left that I can choose from. So you can kind of see it here. I've got 4 different options there. That was for my first letter. That's the 4. And then for my second one, I have 3. And you can see that 1, 2, 3. So the second letters all have 3 different letters there as the combination. And then the last letter, I can only choose 2 different things. Okay, once you have done that, you're timesing it together. So 4 times 3 times 2 equals 24. And there you have it, 24 combinations. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that's been quite helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.